I came to IPX basically to learn about deed of trust investing. I heard about it from a friend, didn't really understand the mechanics of it. I met with IPX, including the owner of the company, Daniel Butterfield, and learned from him and his staff the basics of that type of investing. I had some what I consider to be dead money, and I was looking for an opportunity to improve my cash flow and net worth. I met with IPX to learn about their investment programs, and I learned quite a bit about it. I was naive to all of the opportunities, and they filled me in very quickly and very professionally. When I decided to invest with IPX, it was a very good experience because everything that they said would happen did happen. As an example, the first of every month I received my interest check, and at the end of the process, I was paid off in complete on the principal. I made additional investments based on my experience with the first one, whereas they were prompt in payment, everything happened the way they said it did. I was completely secure in all of the investments, and I was very pleased with the first outcome, therefore decided to do more. I feel I will be a long-term investor with IPX because of their expertise. It's really easy for me to now make additional investments with them.